Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2022 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.